Question number 1 to 5. See, 6% A to F, A, B, C, D, E, and F goes to museum on different days among Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Each of them has a different amount of money. Yes, friends, okay. They given this part here Monday. See, they given this part here Monday. Next, see Monday they given this part. Next one Tuesday. Next Wednesday, Thursday. Next one is part here Friday, and last one is part Saturday. Last one is part Saturday. Yes. So friends, total here we are having 6 members. Yes, Leo. Each one is going to museum on different days. Each of them has a different amount of money. Leave it. Next one. Thursday, see, A goes on Thursday. Yes, friends, check here. A goes on Thursday. A goes on here Thursday. Next, and he has a 100 rupees. Yes. Now A is having 100 rupees. Next one. The person who goes on Saturday has 400 rupees. Yes. The one who goes on Saturday, he is having 400 rupees. Next one is what? Friends, check here. F goes on Monday. Friends, check here. F goes on here Monday. And see, F goes on Monday and he has a 500 rupees. Now F has a 500 rupees. F has a 500 rupees. E goes museum just after B. Yes, friends, check. E is just after B. E is just after B, but B has 300 rupees. B has here 300 rupees. Now E just after B means here chance, here also chance. Next, D has twice the amount of C. Now D equal to 2C and D equal to 2C. Now D equal to 2C means now friends, check here. Friends, see 100 rupees. For C, if I'll take 100 rupees, no chance for C. If I'll take C is 200 rupees, C is 200 rupees, D is 400 rupees, chance. If C is 300 rupees, D is 600 rupees. C 300 rupees, no chance. Why means 300 is fixed for B. That means for C, only possibility is for 200 rupee. If C is 200 rupee means D is for 400 rupee. Now this one is for here D. Now BA just immediately before A. Then this one is for B. This one is for here E. E is B having 300 rupees. B having 300 rupees. Now this one is part remaining is part C. C is having 200 rupees. Now D equal to twice that of C. See here. C is 200 rupees. D is part twice 400 rupees. Now remaining is part 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Remaining is part 600 rupees. Yes, this is the given entire information. Now take here first question. See here. Question number 1. Who among the following goes on Tuesday? Who is going on Tuesday? Friends, here Tuesday who goes here? B. So question number 1 answer is for option D. Question number 2. Who among the following has 600 rupees? Who is having 600 rupees? Here E. Question number 2 answer is option C. Question number 3. C has dash amount of money. C is having how much? Here 200 rupees. So question number 3 answer is option C. Question number 4. Who among the following goes to museum on Saturday? Who is going to museum on Saturday? Here D. Question number 4 option A. Question number 5. Who among the following goes to museum on Friday? Who is going to museum Friday? C. Question number 5 answer is option B. Question number 6. For question number 6. In the number 5, 6, friends, check 5, 6, 9, 3, 6 to 7, 6 to 7. Next 637. Next one is part 637. Yes. Next after that, friends, check 2 is subtracted from odd digit. See here. That means if it is an odd digit means what? Minus 2. That means here 5 minus 2, 9 minus 2, 3 minus 2. Next 7 minus 2. Next one is what? 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Yes. If it is an odd digit means what? Minus 2. Next even digit means friends, check here. 1 is added to even digit. 1 is added to even digit. Yes. Which are the following digit is repeated maximum? Yes. If it is an even means what? Plus 1. Even means what? Plus 1. Odd means what? Minus 2. Yes, friends, check here. Here this one is part 3, next one is part 7, next one is part 7, next one is part 1. If it is a even means part plus 1, next even means part plus 1, 3, next odd means part minus, next 7, next 1, next one is part 5. Which one is repeated maximum number of times? See here. Which one is repeated? Here 7 is repeated 4 times. 7 is repeated 4 times. Then answer is part 7. Answer is part 7. Yes. So question number 6 answer is option D. Question number 7, friends, check here. Take here given statement. Given statement is what? Take here. Friends, check here. The given is what? A greater than or equal to B less than or equal to C less than yes. Now, first statement, second statement common. Friends, check here. First statement, second statement common is what? TUSV. That means common is what? Yes. Now T is greater than or equal to U. Next one is what? UV is less than S, less than or equal to V. Take your first conclusion. Friends, U and C. U and C less than is what? Friends, here. C and U. C less than S, S greater than U. Both are opposite. Opposite means what? We can't say. First one is wrong. A and S. A and S less than is what? Friends, here. Greater than or equal, less than or equal to? We can't say opposite. Then answer is what? Both are wrong. Both are wrong means answer is what? Option D. Question number 7. Option D. Friends, here. Question number 8. See here. Question number 8. The given is what? B less than or equal to D. Friends, here. B less than or equal to D. D greater than or equal to E. Next one is what? Here. E greater than F. E greater than F. Friends, here common is what? F. That means here W equal to F. W equal to F. Greater than X. Greater than or equal to Y. Greater than or equal to Y. Take first conclusion. Here our relation is between D and Y. One check here D and Y. What are the symbols here? Greater than or equal to, greater than, greater than, greater than or equal to. Resultant is what? Greater than. So D greater than Y. First one is true. Second one, E and W. Friends, E and W relation is what? Greater than equal to, greater than. So E greater than W. Second one also true. Then answer is what? Both are true. Answer is what? Option E. Question number 9. Friends, again. F less than C. F less than C equal to V. F less than C. C equal to V. Now. Friends, again. First one and second one. See again. Next one. C less than or equal. D less than or equal to C. That means friends, again. D less than or equal to C, otherwise C is greater than or equal to D. C is greater than or equal to D. Now, if you know about D means what? E equal to D, E equal to D. Next, less than or equal to A, less than or equal to Q. Yes, this is the given statement. Take first conclusion, Q and V. Q and V relation is what? Friends, okay, Q and V. V equal to C, greater than or equal to D, less than or equal to. Both are opposite. Opposite means what? Can't say. First one is wrong. E and C. E and C is what? E equal to D less than or equal to C. Resultant is what? Less than or equal to. So E less than or equal to C. Then second one is true. Third one, V and E. Friends, okay. V and E. See here, E equal to D less than or equal to C equal to V. That means resultant is what? E is less than or equal to V. E is less than or equal to V. Otherwise, V greater than or equal to E. Now, third one also true. Then answer is what? Second and third is true. Second and third is true means answer is what? Option D. Question number 9. Option D. Question number 10. See here, given statement. Friends, check here. R is less than or equal to D. Now, D equal to T. R less than or equal to D. D equal to T. Now, friends, check here. D is less than U. D is less than U. Next, less than or equal to V. D is less than U. Next, less than or equal to V. Now, H is greater than or equal to V. And see here, H is greater than or equal to V. Friends, check here. Friends, don't get confused. See here. D less than U. Next, this one is symbols, and next U less than or equal to V. This one is symbol. V less than or U less than or equal to V. H greater than or equal to V. Now, friends, here now remaining is part A less than Q. Q equal to R. See here, A less than Q. Now Q equal to R. Take first conclusion. See here, A and U. A and U relation is part less than equal to less than or equal less than. Then A less than U. A less than U means first one is true one. See here, less than equal to less than or equal less than. Result is what? Less than. Next one, H and R. H and R relation is what? Friends, okay. R less than or equal to D, D less than U, U less than or equal to V, less than or equal to H. Less than or equal less than, next less than. That means here R is less than H, H greater than R. Second one is true. Next, T and Q. T and Q is what? Equal to, less than or equal to, equal to. Then less than or equal to, Q less than or equal to, T greater than or equal to Q. Yes. Then answer is what? All are true. Answer is what? All are true. Question number 10, option E. Question number 11 to 14, friends, okay. 9% Sriya, Sonia, Sona, Sneha, Subha, Sibi, Sham, Soma and Subha are living in 8th-floor story building. The lowermost floor is number as 1, above it is 2 and topmost floor is what? Number 8. 2 persons living on one of the floor. Yes. So friends, total here we are having 8 floors and total here we are having 8 floors. 1, 2, next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 floors. Yes. But they given 9%. They given 2 point is what? 2 persons lives on one of the floor. Yes. So total 8 floors, but on each floor here, one floor here we are having 2 members. That means total here we are having 9 members. Yes, leave it. Next point. Sige. Friend, the next one is what? Soma lives on odd number floor. Friends, okay. Soma lives on odd number floor. Yes. Soma lives on odd number floor means Soma first chance, third chance, fifth, next seventh leave. Next one. See here. Just remember Soma is odd number floor. Yes, leave it. Sonia is not an immediate neighbor of Suba. Leave. Next one. Sham lives on even number floor. Next. Two-person living between Sona and Suba. Between Sona and Suba, here we are having two members. Friend, don't get confused. Sona, this one is Soma. Sona is different. Soma is different. Next one. CB lives on even number. CB lives an immediate neighbor of neither Sriya nor Sona live. One person live between Sonia and Sudha. Between Sonia and Sudha, here we are having one person. Sriya lives two floors above the Sona. Sriya is two floors above the Sona. Two floors above the Sona. Next. Number of floors above Soma is same as number of floors below Sona. Sona. Yes, friends, again. Above Soma is same as below Sona. Yes, friends, again. But Soma lives on odd number. Check that one. See, Soma is odd number means suppose if I take Soma is first floor. Soma is first floor means above Soma seven floor. Then below Sona also seven floor. Which one is part? Sona. But Sriya is two floors above Sona. No chance. Suppose. If I take one is part here Soma. Yes. Above Soma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Below Soma. Sorry. See here. Above Soma 5 floors. Then below Sona also 5 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is part. Here Sona. One is part here Sona. Next Soma. Here third chance, fifth also chance. If I take one is part here Soma. One is part here Soma. Above Soma 3 floors. Then below Sona also 3 floors. Below Sona also. From see here. Below Sona also here we are having 3 floors. Yes. Soma first floor no chance to take. Third floor chance. Next fifth also chance. Next there is chance to take here. Seventh also there is chance to take. Seventh also. Friends check here. Take that possibility also. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next one is part here 1. If I take one is part Soma. Above Soma 1. Then below Sona also 1. Below Sona also 1. Yes. Now Sriya is Sriya is 2 floors above the Sona. Sriya is 2 floors above the Sona. Here also Sriya is 2 floors above the Sona. Yes, leave it. Friends, our requirement is what? Between Sona and Suba, here we are having 2 persons, not floors on it. 2 persons. See here. 2 persons live between Sona and Suba. Sona. Next. But Suba is compulsory even number. See here. 2 persons live between Sona and Suba. Who lives on even number? Suba is even number. Now Sona. See here. Suba if you take here means here 2 members. Here 2 members no chance. Why means in out of 8 floors, 1 floor having 2 members. That means here for this possibility no chance to take. Why means if I take here Sona 2%, Suba no chance. Why means Suba is an even number. Now friends check here. Now this one is part. Sona means one is part. Here Sriya is 2 floors above the Sona. Now between Sona and Suba here we are having 2 members. Sona and Suba here we are having 2 members. But Suba is even number. Sona 1 no chance. If I take here Suba, here 2 members, here 2 members, no. Now, Sona 1, this one is part. Here, Suba. Friends, check here. Suba lives on even number floor. Here, I will take in this floor 2 persons. I will take here 2 persons. So, friends, again, between Sona and Suba, 2 members, Suba lives on even number floor. In this case, Sona and Suba 2 members, but Suba is even number. Sona 1, 2 here, Suba no chance. Then downside. Sona next 1 compulsory different is part Suba. Why means Suba is compulsory even number floor. Then remaining 2 members will comes here. Yes. Between Sona and Suba, our requirement is part 2 persons. Leave it. Now friends, our requirement is part 1 person live between Sonia and Sudha. Sonia and Sudha 1 person means possibility is what? Friends okay. Between Sonia and Sudha, here we are having 1 person. Here we are having 1 person. So Sonia and Sudha 1 person means this is the only possibility. Next. But see here, 1 person live between Sonia and Sudha. 1 person live between Sonia and Sudha. But when check if they mention in this part, Sonia is not neighbor of Suba. That means here Sonia here no chance. This one is part here. Sonia. This one is part here. Sonia. 1 person. This one is part here. This one is part here. Sudha. This one is part here. Sudha. So friends, between Sonia and Sudha, here we are having 1 person, but Sonia is not neighbor of Suba. That means here no chance. That means here Sonia no chance. Here no Sonia no chance. Sonia between Sonia and Suba 1 person means there is no chance to get. This one is wrong. Next one. Friends again, next one is what? Friends again, they given Sam lives on even number of floor. Sam lives on even number of floor. This is the possibility for Sham. This is the possibility for here Sham. Next one they given is what? Sige. Sibi lives an immediate neighbor of neither Sriya nor Sona. Neither Sriya nor Sona. That means for Sibi here, no chance. Then this is the possibility for Sibi. Is the possibility for Sibi. Now remaining is what? Sige. Now remaining person is what? Remaining person is what? Sneha. Now this here we are having two members. Now this one is what? Here Sneha. This one is what? Here Sneha. Yes. This is the given information. Yes. So out of 8 floors, one floor having two members. Between Sona and Suba, 2%. Suba is even number floor. Above Soma is same as then below Sona. Number of floors above Soma is same as number of floors below Sona. Between Sona and Suba, 2%. Yes. Take your question. Sige. Question number 11. Who among the following person lives on the floor number 4? Floor number 4. Here we are having Suba. So answer is what? Option Sige. Suba. Answer is what? Option D. And who lives on the 4th floor means here Suba. Option D. Question number 12. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. Who among the following one does not belong to that group? That means out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? CB. CB lives on CB. First floor, odd number floor. Sneha, 5th floor, odd. Sudha, Sudha lives on odd number floor. Next, Soma, Soma lives on odd number floor. Sham lives on even number floor. Sam lives on even number floor. Then simple answer is what? Sham. Why means remaining all are odd number floor, but Sham is even number floor. Question number 13. Which of the following statement is true with respect to Sudha? With respect to Sudha. And don't get confused for Sudha and Suba. Which of the following is statement is true with respect to Sudha? Take here. Sudha and Sneha are living on the same floor. Sudha and Sneha both are living on the same floor. Yes, correct. Next. 2 floors between Soma and Sudha. Soma and Sudha. Between Soma and Sudha, here we are having 2 floors. No. Between Soma and Sudha, here we are having only 1 floor. We are having 1 floor. Then second one is no chance. Sudha lives an odd number floor. Sudha lives an odd number floor. Yes. Third one is true. Then answer is what? 1 and 3 are true. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 13. Option A. Question number 14. On which of the following floors does Sriya lives? Sriya is lives on which floor here? 8th floor. So question number 14. Answer is option C. Question number 15 to 19. Sige. 8% A to H are sitting around a circular table. Yes. All of them are facing the center. All of them are facing the center. Yes, friends. So friends, totally here we are having 8 members. Next are sitting around a circular table. All of them is facing the center. Leave. Each one of them has a different number of shoes. The shoes of each person is more than 1 but less than 20. Yes, leave it. All the above information is not necessarily in the same order. Next, consecutive alphabets names of the persons are not sit to adjacent to each other. That means if A is there means beside of A, no chance for B. If B is there beside of B, no chance for A, no chance for C. Next, the shoes kept by the adjacent person is either same factor, either having the same factor or having the same multiple numbers. Having the same multiple numbers. Yes, leave. Now, take here. Now friends, take here. First point is what? B said second right of G. B is second right of G and B is second right of G. Suppose friends check this one is what? G. First right, second right is what? B. B is second right of G. Who has highest number of shoes and it is multiple of both 2 and 3. Friends, here they given range is what? More than 1, less than 20. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Next, G having the highest number of shoes and it is multiple of both 2 and 3. So both 2 and 3 multiple is what? Highest number means what? 18 chance. Next, 12 also chance. 12 also chance. Next, leave it. Next one. Next point is what? A has the shoes perfect square. A has the shoes perfect square. That means here A contains perfect square between. So 9 chance, 16 chance. Often check here. Next 4 also chance. 4 also chance. 4, 9. Next one is what? 16. Yes. Now A contains maybe 4, maybe 9 or maybe 16. Leave. D has a shoes is a cube of the shoes kept by B. Friends, here 1 to 20 perfect cube is what? 8. Now D has a shoe is a cube of the shoe kept by B. That means here D is 8. D is 8 means B is compulsory 2. B is compulsory 2. Friends, here 1 to 20 perfect cube is what? Only 8. D having a cube number of shoes means D contains 8 cube. 8 shoes. If D contains 8 means what? Now B is what? 2. Why means D has a shoes is a cube of the shoes kept by B. Next one. Two persons are sitting between A and B. A and B. Now B 1 to A chance. That side also chance. Now friends again. There is chance to get two possibilities. Now friends again. This one is what? Here G. Now this one is what? Here B 2. Now B 1 2. This one is what? A. Otherwise B 1 2. This one is what? Here A. Next point is what? Number of persons sit between BF is same as between FH. BF equal to FH. BF equal to FH. Next one. D is one of the immediate neighbor of B. D is one of the immediate neighbor of B. D contains 8. D here chance. Here also chance. Here two possibilities. Leave it. Next one. Friends, okay. The number of shoes kept by G is not 12. Yes, friends, okay. Starting they mentioned G contains maximum number of shoes, but it is the multiple of both 2 and 3. Multiple of both 2 and 3. So maximum number of shoes means here 12 chance, 18 also chance. But here G does not contain 12 means then for G possibility is what? 18. G possibility is what? 18. If G is 18 means what? It is 18 is multiple of both 2 and 3. Yes. Next one. Next point is what? The number of shoes kept by C is equal to multiplying the number of shoes kept by H and F. Now, C equal to H into F. C equal to H into F. Yes. The shoes kept by immediate neighbor of G is a multiple of 3. Immediate neighbors of G is a multiple of 3 and immediate neighbor of G is a multiple of 3. So, here multiple of 3, here also multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, here also multiple of 3. Yes. Now, friends, here multiple of 3, but A contains A contains shoes which is a square. They mention is what? See, A has a shoes in perfect square number. Yes. So friends, here A having the shoes which is a perfect square number means now 4 chance, 9 chance, 16 chance. But immediate neighbors of G is what? Multiple of 3. Then for A possibility is what? 9. For A possibility is what? 9. Now in this case, A possibility is what? Now 4 chance, 9 chance, 16 also chance. In this case, we don't know. Next, friends, again. Next point is what, friends, again? D is the immediate neighbor. D is one of the immediate neighbor of B. So D is one of neighbor of B. D here no chance. Why mean D contains 8 shoes, but immediate neighbor of G is what? Multiple of 3. Then this one is what? D. This one is what? Here 8. Now, in this case, friends, again, D is immediate neighbor of B. Here, no chance. This is the possibility for D. Now, D contains 8. D contains here 8. Now, friends, again, our requirement is what? BF equal to FH. BF equal to FH. So, friends, again, BF equal to FH and BF equal to FH. So, friends, again, here B, F equal to FH. That means here for B and H, here common is what? F. That means F is compulsory in the middle. F is compulsory in the middle. Suppose if I take a between B and F 1%, B and F 1%. Now F and H also 1% chance. B and F two members means F and H two members, no chance. This is the only possibility. BF equal to FH. Suppose BF equal to FH means between B and F here 1%. Friends, again B and F 1%. Next F and H also 1%. Suppose, friends, again B and F, if I take here two members here, that one also chance. Check here. B and F here two members, but F and G both are not neighbors. Why means the person sitting in the alphabetical are not neighbors. Then that only one possibility is here. B 1%. This one is what? F. BF 1%. Now FG also F. FH also 1%. FH also 1%. Yes. Next one, friends. Here we are having B. Remaining two persons are C and A. Here B means C no chance. Why means B and C are not adjacent. Then this one is what? C. Now this one is what? Here A. Why means the persons are in the alphabetical order not adjacent. Now C and E. That means for C here no chance. This is the possibility for C. Now this is the possibility for E. This is the possibility for E. Yes. Now next one. Now friends, they mention is what? C equal to H into F. Friends, they mention is what? C equal to H into F. C equal to H into F and C equal to H into F. So C equal to H into F means now, friends, again A A is what? Here. This one is what? Multiple of 3. That means now H is what? See, our requirement is what? The shoes kept by adjacent person is either same factor or same multiple numbers. Same multiple numbers mean that mean this one is odd number. So H this one also compulsory odd number. This one also compulsory odd number. Why means then only you will get same multiple. Then only you will get same multiple. Next one is what? Here 8 is even number. Then F is compulsory even number. Then only you will get same multiple. Then only you will get same multiples or we will get same factors. Yes. That means now possibility is what? Friends, check it. Now if possibility is what? C equal to H into F and C equal to H into F. Now friends, check it. 2 is completed. 2 is completed. Next one is what? 3 and 4 is remaining. Next 5 also remaining. Next 5, these two multiplication no chance and why means maximum our requirement is what? Maximum is what? 19 only. Suppose friends, check here. If I am going to multiply here 3 and 4. If I am going to multiply here 3 and 4. Now C is what? 12. C is what? 12. Yes, chance. Next 4 and 5 multiplication no chance. 6 and 2 also no chance. 6 and 3 also no chance. That means here we are having only one possibility. C equal to H into F and C equal to H into F means multiplication possibility is what? If I multiplied C and 4 is what? 12 possibility. Next, if I take any other number also, then it will goes more than 20. It will goes more than 20. Yes. 5 and 3, it is 15. 5 and 3 is what? Here, 15. 5 and 3 is 15 means now, friends, check. If I take here C is 15. If I take here C is 15 now, but our requirement is what? Here one is even number, other one is what? Odd number required. Why means here multiple say immediate numbers are same multiple, otherwise same factor. That means if I take this one is what? C is what? 12. C is what? 12. Now C is 12 means now this one is what? Odd number. Then this one also compulsory you should get odd number. That means one is what? Here 3. Now 3 and 9. You have 3 and 9 multiples. 3 and 9 are multiple. See 3 into 3 is what? Here 9. Next 3 and 12. Here this one also multiple. Next. So friends, here this one is 3 means this one is what? Here 4. 3 into 4 is what? 12. 3 into 4 is what? Here 12. Yes. Now in this case, friends, here this one is what? Odd number. This one is what? Odd number. This one is odd number means now friends, here A also should be see here this one is odd number and this one is odd number. So this one is odd number means now here I should get even number. I should get here even number. Friends, if I get here even number means now here even number possibility is what? Maybe 4 chance, maybe 16 chance. Why means here even number means odd number no chance to get. Why means same multiple or same factor. That means for 9 here no chance. 9 here no chance. Then A is what? 4 or 16. A is what? 4 or 16. If A is 4 or 16 means now friends, here if A is 4 or 16 and if A is 4 or 16, now C equal to friends, again C equal to H into F, but C is compulsory odd number. C is compulsory odd number. So when C is compulsory odd number means which one you should take? C is compulsory odd number. Odd number you should multiply. So suppose if I take C is 15, if I take here C is 15. Now H and F is what? 3 into 5. 3 into 5. That means here C is what? Here 3. Now F is what? 5. But this one is compulsory even number, no chance. That means this possibility is wrong. This possibility is wrong. This is the only possibility. This is the only possibility. Yes. Now take here question number 15. Who among the following person sits immediate left of the one who has 3 shoes? But here immediate left of one who has 3 shoes. Now E also there and E also there. But the maximum is what? Remaining person is E and A. Immediate neighbors of G contains multiple of 3. Immediate neighbor of G contains here multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means what? Here 3 already completed. Next one is what? 6. Next one is what? Here 6. Next 9 completed. Next one is what? 12 also completed. That means only possibility is what? 6. Only possibility was 6. Why means here? Here only possibility is what? 6 and immediate neighbor of G is what? Multiple of 3. Here 6 chance. Next 15 also chance. But here even number, odd number. These two are not. Multiples are not factor. Then this one, no chance. This is the only possibility. Take question. Who among the following person sits immediate left of the one who has 3 shoes? Immediate left of 3 shoes. Here C. Here C. Or the one who is having 12 shoes. Yes. Or the one who is immediate right of. Yeah. That means here all are possibilities. Answer is what? All A, B and C. Question number 16. Who among the following persons sits third right of the one who is immediate left of E? Immediate left of E is what? Here, G. Third right of G. 1, 2, 3. D or 8. So, option A. Question number 16. Option A. Question number 17. Which of the following combination is true? E contains a 6. Yes. B contains a 2. Yes. F contains 4. C contains 12. Yes, this one is all are correct. So 17 option E. Question number 18. In which of the following statement third person sits exactly between first and second person? Yes. Third person is exactly between first and second. G is exactly between A and E. G is exactly between A and E. Yes, first one is correct. A is exactly between C and H. A is exactly between C and H. No, this one is wrong. F is exactly between C and D. Yes, this one also correct. Yes. Third person is F is exactly between C and D. So 1 and 3 are correct. 1 and 3 are correct means answer is for option B. Question number 18. Option B. Question number 19. 4 of the following 5 are similar in the such a way that to form a group. Which one is not belongs to that group? Yes. Out of given 5, 4 is same. 1 is different. Which one is the different? G. Friends, G and A. See, G and E both are immediates. Both are immediates. BD immediates. FC immediates. HA immediates. GA G and A also immediates. G and A also immediates. Then that possibility will not come. See, GA both having even number. Both having even number. BD both having even number. FC both having even number. HA both having odd number. Next GA. Next one is what? Here GA. So friends, here one is even, other one is what? Odd. One is what? Even, other one is what? Odd. So friends, simple answer is what? See here. That means their content same only. GA, either it is a even number or odd number. Here even numbers, all are even numbers. Here even numbers, here all are odd numbers. But here one is even, other one is odd. See here, GA, one is even, other one is odd. Then this is the different. So question number 19, option E. Next friends, again. If the vowels in the word examination are changed to next letter, yes friends, again. If it is a vowel plus 1. Next consonant are changed to previous consonant minus 1. Are arranged in the again alphabetical order from left to right. That means you should convert entire and you should convert entire. Yes. E vowel means what? Plus 1. F. X consonant means what? Minus 1. Yes. That means 24 minus 1 here 23. W. Next A vowel plus B. M consonant minus 1 is what? Here L. Next I J N minus 1. Consonant means minus 1. Vowel means plus 1. B. Next S J P N M. Yes. After that, all are arranged in the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means what? Low to high. So first one is what? From check. So here B. Next one is what? Here B. Next one is what? Here B. Next BB come to next one is what? Here F. Next one is what? Here F. Next after F, next H one is what? From check here. J. Here we are having J. Here also we are having J. Next after J, next one is what? Here L. Here L. Next M. Next M P W. Yes, leave it. Now question is what? Which are the following letter is fourth from right hand? Fourth from right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth from right hand is what? M. So question number 20, option E. Friends, question number 21 to 22. See, two friends Z and X are driving a car in India. Next friends, so friends, Z is facing north and X is facing south. They drive their cars for 80 meters in the direction they are facing and reach point P and Q respectively. Next, then they turn right and drive for another 70 meters and reach to R and S respectively. Then they take 90 degrees anti-clockwise for and drive for 40 meters and then it turns to right. Next, after driving 30 meters, X reached at T and Z reached to U. Yes. Friends, again, now the again question is what? If X was 270 meters to the east of Z. Friends, take first this point and by taking this point, then solve. See, friends, instead of solving entire information, taking the given information, go with questions. Why means? Friends, again, they mentioned two friends Z and X are driving a car in India, but we don't know the distance between Z and X. So simple logic is what? Go through question. See, the again question is what? See, if x was 270 meters to the east of z. Now friends again, see here, x is friends here, the given is what? X is 270 meter east of z. X is 270 meter east of z. Yes, this is the given one. This is the given one. Yes. Now take this point, then solve the arrangement. Solve the arrangement. Now friends here, now friends check here, our two friends Z and X are driving a car in India. Next, Z is facing north and X is facing south. Yes friends check here, Z is facing north and X is facing south. X is facing south. Next, the given one is what? See here. Next, they drive their cars for 80 meters in the direction they are facing. Yes. So here Z is facing here north. Then Z drives for 80 meters. Now X also drives for 80 meters. Whatever the direction they are facing. Next, and they reach to point P and Q respectively. This one is what? Point P. This one is what? Point Q. Next one. The next one is what? From again. Then they turn right. Then they turn right and drive for another 70 meters. Yes. Now they are turning right. Facing south means now they are turning right and drive for 70 meters. Drive for 70 meter. Here also they turn right and drive for here 70 meter. Drive for here 70 meter. Yes. Leave it. Next, and reach it to R and S respectively. This one is for R. Now this one is for here. Yes, leave it. They mention respectively. That means first one is for here Z. Second one is for yes. Next one. Friends again. Then they take 90 degrees anti-clockwise for 40 meters and they turn it right. Yes, friends again. Friends, for this point, clockwise means what? Like this. Anti-clockwise means what? Downside. So they turn it anti-clockwise 90 degrees. Anti-clockwise 90 degrees and drive for 40 meters. Drive for 40 meters. Now for this one, clockwise like this. Anti-clockwise means what? Upside. Anti-clockwise means what? Upside. And drive for here 40 meters. Drive for here 40 meters. Yes. Next. After that, then they turn it right. They turn it right. Now facing south means what? Then this one is the right hand. They turn it right. Next. After driving for 30 meters. Yes. They turn it right and drive for 30 meters. Here also they turn it right and drive for here 30 meters. Yes. Now this is the given one. X reaches to T, friends again. X is reaching to T. Next, and Z is reaching to U. Z is reaching to U. Yes. Now, question is what? See again. What the total distance and direction of U with respect to T? Yes, friends again. Friends, this total is what? See here. Total the given is what? X for 270 meter east of Z. That means here total is what? 270. Total is what? 270. Yes. Now, suppose friends check here this one. See here this one. Next, take here this one and see here. Now, friends check here. See here, total is what? 270. Total is what? 270. Now this one is what? Here 70. This one is what? 30. Total is what? 100. Now this one is what? 70. This one is what? 30. Total is what? 100. So out of 270, here we are having 100. This one is what? 100. That means remaining this one is what? Here 70. Remaining is what? 70. Yes. Friends, the given question is what? Then what is the total distance and direction? Here they given total distance. So distance, see here, total distance from U to T. U to T is what? Friends, check here. Friend, this one is what? 80. This one is what? Here 40. 80 plus 40 means what? 120. Now this one is what? Here 40. This one is 40. Now this one is what? 80. Then this one is what? Here 120. So friends, here what is the total distance? What is the total distance and direction of U with respect to T? So friends, with respect to T, U is what the total distance means. See here, up to this point is what? 120. Now from here to here is what? 70. 120 plus 70 is what? Here, see here, 120. Next plus 70. Next from here to here, this one is what? Here 120. Now total is what? 240 plus 70. Then answer here 310. Total is what? Here 310. But question is what? See here. What the total distance? Distance means what? Total is what? 310. Total is what? 310. Next, and direction of U with respect to T. Direction of U with respect to T. Direction of U with respect to T and with respect to T means what? East, west, north, south. So direction of U with respect to T. Answer is what? Here, northwest. Answer is what? Northwest. Yes. So answer is what? 310 meters. Answer is what? Northwest. So 310 meters northwest means answer is option A. Answer is option A. Yes. Next, go for next question. Friends again. Friends again. The next question is what? See here. If X was 200 meters to the east of Z. Now, friends again. Friends, now everything is same. Now everything is same. Now they mention one is what? See here. See here. Now everything is same. Starting they mention one is what? First question they mention one is what? X is 270 meter east of Z. Now they mention one is what? X is 200 meter east of Z. Now friends again. For this diagram only I will modify. See here. X is 200 meter east of Z. Now X is 200 meter east of Z. That means friends here X is 200 meter east of Z. That means friends here these two are in the same line. These two are in the same line. Yes or no? Why means total it travels total 70, here 30, total is what 100. This one is 100 means now this one also 100. That means now this one is what here point U, now this one is what here point T. That means here point U and T both are in the same line, both are in the same line. Why means total the given distance is what 200 meter, total is what 200 meter. Yes. Now question is what what the shortest distance and direction of U with respect to T. Direction of U with respect to T is what north. U is north of T, U is north of T. So friends, here U is north of T, but what is the total distance? Now U to this point is what, this one is 80, this one is what 40, 120, this one is 120. Now this one is 80, this one is what here 40, this one is what 120. So answer is what total is what 240 north. Answer is what 240 north. So answer is option C. 23 24, here they mention is what total here we are having 3 6 8 members. Next, this family is consisting of 3 generations. There are 3 married couples. Next, equal number of males and females. X is the father of V and friends again. X is the father of V. Next, UV is the grandmother of Z. Now, UV is the grandmother of Z. UV is the grandmother of Z. We don't know Z. See, we don't know Z. Z is third generation. Z is third generation. Yes, leave it. Next one. Friends again. See, UV is the grandmother of Z and mother-in-law of T. Here undo qualifies here U. UV is mother-in-law of T. Yes, friends, okay. UV is mother-in-law of T. Mother-in-law means what? Spouse, mother. Yes, leave it. V, who is the mother of S? Friends, okay. V is the mother of S. Next, V is the mother of S. E is sister-in-law of Y. That means here V is sister-in-law of Y. Sister-in-law means possibilities are spouse, sister, otherwise brother's wife. Leave it. Next one. Next one is what? V is mother of S and sister-in-law of Y. Z is son of Y. Friends, okay. The mention is what here? Z is son of Y. Z is son of Y, and that means Y should come here only. But friends, here Z is son of Y. Z is son of Y. Leave it. Next one. X has 2 daughters. V is the daughter of U. X has 2 daughters. Now V is the daughter of U. Friends, V is the daughter of U and V is the daughter of U. Now X is the father of V. X is the father of V. Yes. V is the daughter of U. Now our requirement is what? Friends, V is mother of S. V is sister-in-law of Y. Y is brother-in-law of V. But here X having 2 daughters. Now take here Y and this one is couples. Y is plus Y is brother-in-law of V. Now V is sister-in-law of Y. Yes. Z is son of Y. Z is son of Y. Now remaining is what? W. Remaining is what? Here W. V and T both are couples. V minus means T is plus. Now our requirement is what? Equal number of males and females. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 males. Then 4 females. 1, 2, 3. S is female. S is female. Yes. This is the given one. Who is the S father? Who is the S father here? T. S father is what? T. Question number 23. Answer is option C. Question number 24. How V is related to Z? Friends, here how V is related to Z and how V is related to Z? Z mother is what? W. W sister is what? V. Aunt. Answer is what? Aunt. Question number 24. Option A. Question number 25 to 26. Friends, here 6 people W, X, Y, Z, A and B bought the different number of articles from Big Bazaar. Next, friends, check here. Total here we are having 6 members. Take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members. Yes. Now B bought more articles than X. Yes, friends, check here. B bought more articles than X but less than that of Y. Yes. So B is bought more than that of X but less than that of Y. Next, leave it. A bought more articles than that of Y. Now A bought more than that of Y. Next, but did not buy the highest number of articles. Yes, A did not buy the highest number of articles. Leave. X bought more articles than only W. X bought more articles than only W. Yes, friends, check. X bought more articles than only W. Only W. Yes. Now see, X bought more articles than only W. Now take the funniest part. A more than Y, Y is more than B, but A is not the highest. Then A, Y, different part B. Now remaining is what? Friends, check here. Z. Remaining is what? Here, Z. Leave it. Take care question. Question number 25. Who bought the second most number of articles? Second most number here, A. So question number 25, option C. Question number 26. Who bought the third lowest number of articles? First lowest is what? W. Second is X. Third one is what? B. So question number 26. Answer is option B. Friends, sige, question number 27 and question number 27. Sige, the given is what? If all the consonants are changed to previous letter and all the vowels are changed to next letter, as in the English alphabet, then how many words will be meaningful? How many words will be meaningful? Sige, if all the consonants are changed to previous letter, next vowel means what? Next, sige, consonant means -1, vowel means what? +1. Then how many meaningful? Now J -1 is what? Consonant. -1 is what? Here I. B -1, A. R -1 is what? Here Q. There is no meaningful word. Leave it. Next one is what? Here consonant. S -1 is what? Here S -1 is what? R. W -1 is what? From check it. W -1. W -1 is what? Here. W is what? 23. -1 is what? 22. Next A +1 is what? B. Leave it. Next V. V -1 is what? Here U. L -1 is what? K. Y -1 is what? X. Then leave it. Next one. No meaningful word here. Here also no meaningful word. Next one. Q. Q before is what? Here P. E after is what? F. Next one. M before is what? Here. M before is what? L. No meaningful word. Next. G. Friends, here G consonant. Consonant means what? Before. That means F. Next S. S before is what? Friends, here S before is what? Here R. U. Next one is what? Here V. Then no meaningful word. Then answer is what? None. Answer is what? None. By using this one, we are not able to frame any meaningful word. So question number 27. Answer is what? Option D. None. Question number 28. Question number 28. Once again, if the middle letters and last letters are interchanged, then how many meaningful words thus formed? Middle and last letter. That means this one. JRB. No meaningful word. Middle and last. That means SAWS. Meaningful word. VYL. No meaningful word. Middle and last. QME, no meaningful word. Last one. GUS, no meaningful word. Then only one word. Sa. So answer is what? Option B. 1. Question number 29. If all the letters in each word are arranged in the alphabetical order, then arrange the words as in the dictionary order from right to left. Yes, friends, check here. So friends, here first we are going to arrange the letters in the alphabetical order. Letters in the alphabetical order. That means here B, J, R, A, next S, W, next L, V, Y, next E, M, Q, next G, S, U. After that, then arrange the words in the dictionary order from right to left. Dictionary order from right to left. That means, so lowest one is what? Here BJR. Lowest one is what? BJR. Sorry. First lowest one is what? ASW. See here. First one is what? ASW. Second one is what? Here BJR. Second one is what? BJR. See here. From right to left, we should arrange. First lowest one in dictionary order A. Next B. Question is what? Which of the following is second from right hand? Second from right hand is what? BJR. So BJR means what? Here JBR. So question number 29. Answer is what? Option C. So here question number 30. Which of the following letters will be third letter to the see here. Which of the following letter will be third letter of the fourth word from the left hand? Yes. Fourth word from left hand is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Third letter is what? Here 1, 2, 3. Third letter is what? M. So answer is what? Option C. See here. Again question is what? Which of the following letter will be third letter of the fourth word from left hand? Fourth word from left hand is what? Q, E, M. Then third letter is what? M. So question number 30. Option C. Question number 31. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word crocodile? In the word crocodile. Yes, friends, check it. CRO, CO, DI, next one is what? LE, DI, LE. Next. As many letters between them in the English alphabet. Check one. C. C alphabetical form. After C, what will come? D, E, F, G, H, I. Next J, K, L, U. After R. After R is then letter? No, then leave it. After O there is no letter only. Leave it. Next one. After C, D, E, F, G, H, no. After D, next one is what? E, F, G, no. After I, J, K, no. After L, M, no. So forward here we are having only one pair. Take in reverse. Check it. Reverse. After E, next one is what? F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Leave. After L, M, N, O. See L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Again, see I, J, sorry, L, M, N, O. See after L, M, N, O. Next P, Q, R, S. Next one is what? Next one, check it. Next I, J, K, L, M, N. Leave it. Next one. D. Next one is what? E, F G H I. No. After O, next one is spot. P Q R. P Q R. Yes. Next C D. No. After O, P no. R no. So forward sige 1, reverse 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs total here we are having. Then answer is part more than 3. Answer is part more than 3. Question number 31, option E. Question number 32 and question number 32. Sige, what is the code for color air all? Friends check here. One check here. Color air all. Friends, color is present in which line? Friends check here. Here we are having color and here we are having color. Next, remaining lines is there color? No. That means only information is part. Color now only code. Only code and now friends check here. So friends check here. AV here AV eliminate. KT friends check here. KT eliminate. JM OS friends check here. JM next remaining is part OS. So what the code for color means part OS. Next air next one is part air. Air is present in which line? Friends check here. First line here we are having air. Next second line not there. That means sige. First line only information is air. Then only code. So MK eliminate. Next BN eliminate. Next one is part VB. Next one is part here VB. Next one all. So friends, all is present in this line and this line. Now second line, third line, common code is information is all. Common code is part here JM. Here also we are having JM. Here also we are having JM. Then answer is part OS VB JM. Friends check here. OS VB next JM. So answer is part option D. 32. Option D. Question number 33. If there are much incidents is coded as TS, IX, WG, HS, then what will be the code for many? What will be the code for many? One check friends here. Many is present in which line here? Here we are having many. Now in the given data also, see here, a much incident. That means see here many and here we are having many. Remaining lines is there many? No. That means we should eliminate. We should eliminate. Only information is many. Then only code. Only code. Friends, see here KT is present. Leave it. IX here also present. Leave it. YM. Friends, check here. Next YM or MK here present. Here also present. Now remaining is part YM. Remaining is part YM. Only information is part many. Only code is part YM. So question number 33. Answer is part YM. Option D. Question number 34. What is the code for the word gives? Yes, friends, check here. Gives. Gives is present in which lines? Only third line. Only third line. That means only third line come only code. See here. So friends, here we are having JM. Remaining lines JM eliminate. Next BN. Here also here we are having BN eliminate. Next EKSQ remaining lines it is not there. That means what the code for gives means answer is part EKRSQ. So EKSQ and EKSQ. Then answer is part either SQ or EK. Option E. Next friends again. Question number 35 to 38. See 10% are sitting in here two parallel rows in such a way that 5 of them are sitting in each row with equidistance from each other are facing the persons in row number 1 and row number 2. Next row number 1 PQRST are sitting and all of them is facing north. Yes friends, check here. Row number 1 here we are having PQRST and all of them is facing north. PQRST all of them is facing north. Row number 2 here we are having ABCDE. Yes, here PQRS. Next one is part here ABCD. Yes, leave it. Next one. So friends, here row number 1 ABCD all of them is facing south. Next row number 2 PQRST all of them is facing north. Leave it. Next one, they all are belongs to different cities. Yes, they given different cities. Leave it. Now take a first point. Friends, again. Friends, here first point is what? See here, the one who belongs to Agra, faces the one who sits to the left of E. The one who belongs to Agra faces the one who sits to the left of E. In generally, E is facing south. If I take here E, for E, first left, second left, third left, this one is facing Agra. This one is facing Agra. Otherwise, if I take here E also, first left, second left, third left, chance. Then take here one more possibility. Friends, check here. Total here we are having 10 members are sitting in two parallel lines. Now the funny part, if I take here E, first left, second left, third left, this person is facing Agra. Yes, here. The given is part the one who belongs to Agra faces person who is third left of E. Leave it. Only one person sit between the one who belongs to Agra and Q. Between Agra and Q, here one person. Here also Agra and Q, one person. Agra, one person, different spot. Here Q, different spot Q. Next. The one who belongs to Pune sits opposite to the one who is second right of A. See, the one who belongs to Pune sits opposite to the person who is second right of A. Now, see, Pune is second right of A. See, the one who belongs to Pune sits opposite to the person who is second right of A. Leave it. Q does not belongs to Pune. Yes, suppose. Suppose friends, if I will take here A, first right, second right, person is facing Pune, but Q is not belongs to Pune. Suppose. If I will take here A, first right, second right, this person is facing Pune, chance. Next, if I take here A, 1, 2 here, Pune, chance. Yes. But they give one more clue point and see, only two persons are sitting between A and the one who belongs to Mumbai. See, if I will take here A, first right, second right, person is facing Pune, but Q is not from Pune. Suppose if I will take here A, if I will take here A, first right, second right, this person is facing here, Pune, this person is facing here, Pune. Suppose if I take here A means 1 to here Pune chance, but between A and Mumbai two members. 1 to Mumbai no chance, this side also no chance. That means this is the only possibility. Now A 1 to different spot here Mumbai, different spot here Mumbai. Now friends again, if I take here A, now 1 to this one Pune chance. If I take here A 1 to here Pune no chance. Why means Q is not from Pune. Here for A no chance and why means if A here means between A and Mumbai two members no chance. That means here also we are having only one possibility. If I take here A 1 2 different spot here Pune different spot Pune, leave it. Next one. Friends here the one who belongs to Surat face the person who sits immediate right of T. Surat is immediate right of T and Surat is immediate right of T. Leave it. Next one. Friends again only one person sit between the one who belongs to Surat and Patna. Leave. T does not faces the person who belongs to Mumbai. Next, the one who belongs to Delhi sits third right of R. Delhi is third right of R, but R is compulsory in the row number 2. Why means R is facing north. Delhi is third right of R. If I will take here R, first right, second right, third right is what? Here, Delhi, chance, Delhi is third right of R. Suppose R here means first right, second right, third right, no chance. That means this possibility is simply wrong. And see here. The one who belongs to Delhi is third right of R. Delhi is third right of R. Yes, leave it. Next point. Friends, okay, the one who belongs to Nagpur faces the person who sits second left of B. Nagpur is facing the one who is second left of B. So friends, again, if I will take here B, if I will take here B and now first left, second left, this person is far facing Nagpur. This is the only possibility. This is the only possibility. Yes. Why means the one who belongs to Nagpur, see here, the given one is what? The one who belongs to Nagpur faces the one who sits second left of B. So B generally facing south, but Nagpur is facing the one who is second left of B means Nagpur is compulsory facing north. Nagpur is compulsory facing north means now in north side, see only remain two persons are Q and R. If I will take here R is Nagpur means now second left of B no chance. That means Q Nagpur means for B first left, second left is spot. Here Nagpur, the one who facing Nagpur is sitting second left of B. Yes, leave it. Next one. Friends, again, next point is what? As many persons sitting between the one who belongs to Chennai and S is same as. That means between Chennai and S, between Chennai and S is same as between D and Panji. Yes, D and Panaji. Yes, friends, again. So Chennai and S is same as between D and Panaji. So friends, again, next S does not face E and S does not face E. So S does not face E means for S here no chance. Suppose if I take here S means between S and Chennai. That means S and Chennai both are in the same row. S and Chennai is two members means now D and Panaji also two members. Yes, D, Panaji two member chance. Suppose if I take here S, S and here Panaji three members. S and Panaji three members means now. Sorry, S and Chennai three members means now D and Panaji three members. No chance. That means only possibility is for. If I take funny spot, yes. Now this one is what? This one is what? Chennai. Between S and Chennai, two members. S and Chennai, two members. Now D and Panaji also two members. That means this one is what? Here. This one is what? D 1 2. This one is what? Here. Panaji. This one is what? Here. Panaji. Yes, this is the only possibility. See here. Number of persons in between. See here. S and Chennai is same as between D and Panaji. Between S and Chennai here we are having two members. Now D and Panaji also here we are having two members. Yes. Next point is what? Friends, they mentioned previously one point and the one who belongs to Surat face the person who is immediate right of T. Surat is facing the person who is immediate right of T. In general, T is facing north. If I take here T, So immediate right of T, no chance. Then this one is part. Here, take. This one is part. Here, T. Immediate right of T is part. This person is facing Surat. This person is facing Surat. The one who facing Surat is sitting immediate right of T. Immediate right of T. One person sit between the one who belongs to Surat and Patna. Surat, one person. This one is part. Here, Patna. The person is what? Here, Patna. Yes. Now remaining is one. A completed, B. Next D. Remaining is part. C. Now in this case, friends, again. R, T, Q, S. Remaining is part here. P. Remaining is part P. Yes. This is the given entire data. And take your question. Question number 35. A belongs to which of the following city? A belongs to which city? Remaining city is what? Chennai. Remaining is what? Delhi. Remaining is what? Kochi. Remaining is what? Kochi. Yes. So A belongs to which city means now A is belong to Kochi. So question number 35. Option B. Question number 36. Four of the following five are alike. That means out of given five options, four is same. One is different. Which one is the different? Now the one who belongs to Delhi, Delhi, friends, check it. Delhi, middle. Now D is at corner. One who belongs to Chennai, corner. P, corner. Mumbai, corner. Yes. Then simple answer is what? Delhi. Simple answer is what? Delhi. Why means remaining all persons is at corner, but Delhi is at not at the corner. Delhi is not at corner. 36. Option A. Question number 37. How many persons are sitting between D and the person who faces the who belongs to Chennai? See, how many persons are sitting between D and the person who faces the one who belongs to Chennai? D. This one is what? D. Who faces the one who belongs to Chennai means what? This person. Between B and D, how many persons here we are having? 3 members. Yes. Answer is what? Option D. 3. Question number 38. Which of the following statement is true? A faces the person who belongs to Agra. No. Next one. One person is between T and the one who belongs to Chennai. Between T and Chennai, 1%. Friends, check it. Between T and Chennai, 1%. No. E and the one who belongs to Kochi are immediate neighbors. E and Kochi are immediate neighbors. Friends, check it. E and Kochi are immediate neighbors. No. Next. See, A is Kochi and next. D says diagonally opposite to Q. D is diagonally opposite to Q. No. Then answer is what? None is true. Answer is what? None is true. Yes. Question number 38. Answer is what? Option E. None is true. Question number 39 is what? Some editors are not directed. Friends, check it. Take care. Editor. Some part of editor is here not director. Some part of editor is what? Not director. Next, all directors are producers. Yes, director. This all director is a producer. Friends, check it. All director is a producer. Next one is what? Friends, check it. No producer is a screenplay. No producer is a yes screenplay. Yes, leave it. Conclusion number 1. All producer can be written. We know some part of editor is not directed. What about remaining editor and director means we can't say. That means for producer, the mention is what? All producer can be director. All producer can be director. And we know this part of some part of director is some part of editor is what? Not director. What about remaining editor and director means we can't say. We can't say means for producer here there is chance to keep. Here all producer can be edited. There is a chance to keep. Then first one is true. Second one. No director is a screenplay. No producer is a screenplay. Then compulsory. Here no director is a here screenplay. Now second one also true. Third one. Some actors. Friends, check here. In the given information there is no actor. Then this one is simply wrong. Then answer is what? Only 1 and 2 follows. So answer is what? Option C. Next, friends, check here. Question number 40. Only GM or PM. That means all PM is GM. All PM is GM. Now, friends, here for PM and remaining here we are having negative relation. Why means here they mention only. Next one. Only few CM are president. Only few CM are president. That means some CM is president. Some CM is president. Leave. No president is a PM. Now, friends, check here. No president is a PM. This one is what? No president. No president is a PM. Now, before one day given is what? CM. Only few CM is president. Some CM is president at the same time. Some part of CM is not president. Yes, leave it. First conclusion. Some GM are president. Some GM are president. Friends, check here. We know no PM is president and no PM is president means some part of GM is not president. But they given some GM are president. Then first one is what? Can't say. Second one. All CM being GM is a possibility. All CM being GM is a possibility. Friends, here we know no PM is CM. Why means here they mention only. No PM is CM is some part of GM is not CM. What about even GM and CM is part? We can't say. We can't say means for CM there is chance to keep within this boundary of A. Then if it within this boundary of GM, then all CM can be GM. Yes, this one is possibility. Next one. No GM is a president. No GM is a president. Friends, here we know only no PM is a president means now some part of GM is not president, but all GM is not president means what? This one also can't say. Yes. Now, second one is true. Next, first one is wrong, third one is wrong. Next, both should be wrong. Subjective predicatives are same. One is positive, other one is negative. Answer is what? Either one or three and two follows. Answer is what? Option E.